the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
I'm Felicia, your dangerous alchemist.
Hi, I'm Bethany, your eye.
And I'm your safety master.
Hi, I'm Tyler. I'm Bill Nye's biggest fan. Today we're going to show you how important it is to wear your safety goggles during an experiment. You must protect your eyes from dangerous chemicals like the ones we're going to test today and still look cool.
Hi, I'm Christine. I'm going to show you what to wear and what not to wear during a science experiment. Alright, first we're going to go over what not to wear. Your hair should be up. You should have closed-toe shoes on. Shorts are unacceptable because that's a big no-no. And then no baggy clothing because chemicals can get on this and you can die. An example of what you should wear is a lab coat. You should have closed-toe shoes, and your hair should be out of your face so that you can't reach chemicals. And then you should have glasses on to protect your eyes. First, Tyler has to cut off the fatty substance around the eye.
At the back of the eye is the optic nerve, which is a bundle of nerve fibers that carry information from the retina to the brain. And in the optic nerve is the blind spot, the place where the optic nerve leaves the retina no light sensitive cells.
Tyler's going to cut into the sclera in the retina, right there. So then you have the incision site and you can see on the inside of the eye.
What do you need?
I just want to get a different.
Oh, hold on for it.
Please wait.
This is good.
Good job, Taylor.
Good luck in it.
The thick, clear jelly that helps give the eyeball its shape is coming out right now as Taylor's cutting it, and it's called the vitreous humor.
You threw one at me the other day.
You remove the vitreous humor.
In front of the lens is the pupil, and in front of that is the aqueous humor, which is a clear fluid that helps the cornea keep its rounded shape.
Here you can see the lens. It's a clear, flexible structure that makes an image on the eye's retina. And around it is the iris. It's a muscle that controls how much light enters the eye. Now you can clearly see the blind spot, where is the place that the optic nerve leaves the retina.
Now we're going to show you what would happen if you got these common chemicals in your eye.
Okay, the first chemical we are going to try is hydrogen peroxide, and as Bethany puts the chemicals on the eye, I can tell you a little bit about it. Hydrogen peroxide is a strong oxidizing chemical, and 3% solutions are usually found in drugstores, and you can put it on your cuts, but this is a higher percent, which is more like a bleach, and hydrogen peroxide is also used in hair bleaching products. And this is what it would do on your eye.
You can see it fizzling
and bubbling. After 5 minutes, you can see the eye that was treated with hydrogen peroxide has bubbled, and you can see the retina is very damaged. Next acid is hydrofluoric acid, which is a weak acid, but it is very corrosive. It can even dissolve glass, so it would be very dangerous if you got it on your eye. Warnings even read that it will destroy your retina. Hydrofluoric acid is steaming at this point, and so is the eye, and the retina and cornea are all very eroded and have turned darker shades around the sides of the eye. The next chemical is sulfuric acid, which is a strong mineral acid, and it's soluble in water. It's used in production of fertilizers and steel making because it can remove rust and oxidation. And it is extremely corrosive. Now you can see that the sulfuric acid has been eating away at the eye, and a lot of it has already been broken down, and it's in a watery substance at the bottom of the last chemical we are going to test is hydrochloric acid, which is very commonly used in all of our chemistry labs. Hydrochloric acid didn't have as much of a theatrical effect as the other chemicals, but you can see that the main part of the eye has become very milky, which would show that you would lose your eyesight if it was used.
This is why you should always wear safety goggles during the experiment.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye.